Ebyagambwa Mugume Adam obu yabaye bembira abakugu kuruga mu Banka ya Uganda omu kakiiko ka Parliament ka Finance karukukurwa Henry Musasizi. Aba bashobora akakiiko aka ngu banka egi neyetenga sente zirikurenga biliyoni 8 ngo habwo kuba etwire nebika sente aheeru bitu zitarikutebwa mu magoba ekiretire yafeerwa sente nyingi omu myaka 6.
So our income, including where we are trying to charge government now on the services we render, but basically most of our income comes from the interest rates we earn on international reserves. So if therefore the interest earning on international reserves are minimal, the question is you have the expenditure side. The bulk of our expenditure is actually monetary policy costs and currency, and including payment infrastructure.
Abanyishengera bakushitama akakiiko aka bagira ngo nibija kugizaho kushitama n'obukiiko bushatu oburumwa ka finance ngo rero bareba he barije kwiha sente zo kugigarura higuru ngo abo kube cyacu takozirwe nikija kuretera ebyentasiya bya Uganda byagaruka hansi.
In fact no mwaka guno gw'ebyensimbi yafuna biliyoni 12 ate kakati bakomyewo bagala biliyoni 408 omwaka ogujja. Kwegamba last year batugamba bali betaaga 408 ne tubawa 2 ate kakati bagamba betaaga 408 kwegamba ekibalo ne tulabanga tekikwatagana bulungi ate nga n'emyaka ejayita tubadde tubawa ensimbi.
Banka ebeera ne costs z'okulwaninga Central Bank kubanga Bank of Uganda ye banka ya gavumenti ye keeping reserves zaffe yekola yerabirira banks zonna mu gwanga waliwo costs zezibeeramu okulwaninga kyetuyita monetary policy kakati ezo costs zezireetamu losses ate zaagala tukapitalizing kati ekyo tetugenda kunyonyola ababaka.
Orukurra akakiiko aka Henry Musasizi nawe yagambe kirakorwa hanshonga egi.
Bank of Uganda emyaka nka 6 yenyuma erakora murosi aho kwa Bank of Uganda ine reserves eziturabika mu mahanga gaheru ezo nizo zishemerere kwa zirakora zirarugamu income nalisha magoba straight interest income.
Keith Muhakanizi nawe yarabara gavumenti okurekeraho kuteekaho ebintu bisyo mu budget.
Time has come to be tough and we work on asset management, and I think the details will be given to you, but my instruction, call it sometimes even when I come here the Mukhtaris have said I'm a dictator, but that's beside the point. Not me. I have given them a timetable that time has come because we can't continue. Even accounting officers now, the instruction is that asset management is priority number 1. Because I think the other front of money, I think we have made some strides, but we need to go to asset management. Once things are created, how they are managed, and we need to put it in asset register.
Akakiiko aka kariyo nakagenda mu misho no kureba ebye sente zabire z'yo mu budget y'omwaka 2019-2020 zakozere emyaka 6 yenyuma hamwe n'ebikuza kukorwa emyaka eri kwija. Amakuru agagasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.